Okay, dear students, now we are going to discuss the concept of unitary matrix. Unitary matrix. Now we have to write the definition for that one. Definition. If a square matrix, if a square matrix capital A is said to be a unitary matrix is said to be a unitary matrix then A into A power theta is equal to A power theta into A is equal to I. That's all. So, if a square matrix capital A is said to be unitary matrix, then A into A power theta is equal to A power theta into A is equal to I. Where we have to observe A power theta is called conjugate transpose of conjugate of the matrix. Transpose of conjugate of the matrix, where A power theta is equal to A bar transpose, where A bar is equal to conjugate matrix of A. Conjugate matrix of A. Are you clear? That means conjugate matrix means what? In a square matrix involving the elements which are complex numbers. That's why complex number is always in the form of A plus IB, where A is real part, B is imaginary part. A and B belongs to real numbers. A and B real numbers. That's why A plus IB is nothing but a complex number. Then its conjugate complex number is A minus IB. That's why A minus IB and A plus IB conjugate to each other. That's why such type of conjugate matrix of A transpose is called A power theta. Right? That's why. Now, we have to take one example on this concept. Example, that is A is equal, we have to take, let A is equal to 1 by root 3 into 1 plus I, 1 minus I, minus 1. So, this is the square matrix of order 2. This is the square matrix of order 2. Okay? This is the square matrix of order 2. Now, observe, here involving the elements, here it is a real number. Here it is complex number. 1 plus I is a complex number. 1 minus I is also complex number. Minus 1 is a real number. Okay? Now we have to write A bar, that is conjugate of complex number. Conjugate of this complex number. A bar, that is 1 by root 3 into here it is 1. Now, conjugate of A plus IB is A minus IB. That's why this is 1 minus I. 1 plus I conjugate is 1 minus I. 1 minus I conjugate is 1 plus I. Here it is minus 1. It is a real number. That's all. Right. Now, a power theta. What is a power theta? A bar transpose, conjugate of this one. That's right. Transpose of this conjugate. A bar transpose. Now transpose of this. 1 by root 3. We have to write this column, first column in first row in place of first row. 1 plus I. And second column 1 minus I into minus 1. That's all. Now we have to multiply these two. A into a power theta. That's why a into a power theta. That is what is a? This is a. That's right. 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3. 1 by 2. Now we have to multiply these. 1 plus I. 1 minus I minus 1. 1 plus I. 1 minus I minus 1. Right? Now multiply these. 1 by 3 into. Observe. Here it is. 1. Here, from complex numbers, we know the formula a plus ib into a minus ib is equal to a square plus b square. A plus ib into a minus ib is equal to a square plus b square. That's why 1 plus I into 1 minus I is 1 plus 1. That's why it is 1 plus 1. Right? Again, for this column, this row into this column. Here it is 1 into 1 plus I. 1 plus I. Here it is minus 1 minus I. Again, from this row. Here it is 1 minus I. This row into this column. 1 minus I. Minus 1 plus I. Minus 1 plus I. Now this one. A plus ib into a minus ib. It is 1 plus 1 plus 1. Here it is minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. That's all. Right? So, a into a power theta is equal to, here this is 1 by 3 into, here it is 3. Now, this gets cancelled, 0. This gets cancelled, 0. That is 3. Now take common 3 and gets cancelled. Then it is 1, 0, 0, 1. 1, 0, 0, 1. It is I. That is identity matrix of order 2. That's it. Okay. Similarly, a power theta into a is also I. Similarly, a power theta into a is also I. Therefore, a into a power theta is equal to a power theta into a is equal to I. A into a power theta is equal to a power theta into a is equal to I. Okay? That's why this is called unitary matrix. That's why this concept is very important, especially for competitive exams like JEE Mains and Advanced. Okay, that's why this is the concept of unitary matrix. What is that? If a square matrix, capital A is said to be unitary matrix, then a power theta, a into a power theta is equal to a power theta into a is equal to I. Where I is identity matrix or unit matrix, it is always square matrix. And a power theta is transpose of conjugate of the matrix. That's why if A is a matrix, then its conjugate represents A bar. That's why A power theta is equal to A bar transpose. Now this is the best example for this one. Since for this question, a into a power theta is equal to a power theta into a is equal to I. That's all. Okay, right. That's all.